This is a view of our welding shop. This is one of the aisles that we have in our shop. We have altogether in this room we have 28 welding booths. You can see it's a modern welding shop, brightly lit, clean, very nice place to work. This door leads to the second side of our shop over here, and I'll show you that in a little bit. We have very high ceilings in this place. A lot of very good ventilation, positive ventilation in all the booths, positive ventilation in the roof, and good heat exchange in here. This is a very nice place to work. This is a general view of one of our welding booths. As you can see, we have UV blocking curtains. These will pull down in front of the booth when the student is in there working. We have a stool, 2 tables to work off of, and there's an adjustable arm. We have a welding machine in there, the cables. The top shelf in there will be used to put on a wire feeder. These tables are fully adjustable. The overhead arm is fully adjustable for all of out of position welding that we need to do. Here you can see that we have inert gas plumbed into each and every booth in the shop. Those gases are mixable in our manifold room, so we can have just about any gas mixtures we need for any type of process or material. Also in this booth we have oxy fuel plugged in. There's plumbing to all of these center booths in our main shop here. Now back out to where we started, you can see that in the center of the picture is a 90-ton iron worker. This will cut 1/4-inch plate 2 feet wide. It will punch 1-inch holes in 1-inch plate. There's a general work table. This device here is for cutting pipe coupons. We'll do beveling on pipe. We have a burning table and burning area here for the students. In this row of welding booths at the far end down there we have a 50-ton iron worker. As you can see, all these booths are well lit. It's a very nice shop. In this area we have our tungsten grinding station. And we will proceed into the second part of our shop. In this area of the shop, most of the second year students work here. We have 8 welding booths in this area. There's a burning table, general work table. In the far end there we have a 1/4-inch shear. Here we have some machines, oxyacetylene equipment, coupon storage. This too has very high ceilings in this room. It's very clean, very well lit. You see a gantry crane over the top of the shear there. In this area you can see 2 standing vices that we work with. There's a roll, 1/4-inch plate roll. There's a plasma cam machine that we have set up in our shop, so we can do cutouts. Here we have a horizontal bandsaw, and beside it over there in the back we have a lathe we use for prepping coupons for welding. Here's our roller. Like I said, this will handle 1/4-inch plate 4 feet wide. We have an end mill that we can prep coupons and make jigs with. It's a large pan brake. There's a little closer shot of our 1/4-inch shear. General cutoff saws. Materials that we can deal with. Plasma cutters, 60-ton brake. And the welding booths on this side over here, which are the same size as the ones on the other side. In fact, in this area we have 2 power supplies set up. along with a 4-roll driver for doing wire feed and flux core projects. Again, these booths are all plumbed in with the appropriate shielding gases, and all have adjustable tables and arms for positioning weldments for welding.